Oh, hey there. Welcome back to another episode of me talking to you from my kitchen. And what we're up to here is learning how to cook without a recipe. An important part of being able to cook without a recipe is having stuff in your kitchen that works. Something that really grinds my gears is when people have so many utensils in their kitchen, you can't find the one thing that you're looking for amongst a whole bunch of gack that they're never gonna use. They bought it once, maybe laid on an infomercial when infomercials were a thing. Let's talk about your board and your knife. If you do not have an awesome sharp knife, just get one of these. This is a Victorinox serrated knife. I don't know how much it is. It's probably less than $12. It's definitely less than $20. It was a gift. And it's my favorite knife of all time. For an everyday cook's knife, this is what I use. I try to keep it sharp and I don't do a very good job at that, which is why I usually use the little serrated knife. The last important knife that you might want to have is a giant serrated knife. Oh, that's dirty. For your bread cutting needs. I use a small wooden cutting board every day. It just sits right here on my counter. If I'm gonna do a whole bunch of cooking, then I'll bust out a big, large plastic cutting board. Other tools that I use every single day. Wooden spoon for cooking in a cast iron fry pan or in stainless steel pots and pans. A ladle of some kind. I mostly use this for pancake batter. Pancakes made out of only bananas and eggs, by the way. We'll talk about that another time. Non-stick friendly utensil every day. Okay, I lied. I don't use tongs every day. If I'm cooking something in a cast iron pan and I want to flip it around, this is what I'm using. Okay, this is my other lie. I don't use a whisk every day, but it is really important to just have one good whisk. Every day. I'm not kidding. I take ginger that I keep in the freezer. Now I have ginger tea. Garlic I do on this. Citrus zest I do on this. I really love fresh nutmeg. I put fresh nutmeg in pancakes or in cocktails. This thing is like my best kitchen friend. If you don't have a Zester or Rasp, you can also use a small side of a cheese grater. This one, not this one. Never use this one. Also, this is useless. This is pretending to be a mandolin, but really will just chop your finger off. The only useful part of this grater is the big cheese grater part. This design of peeler is the only peeler that anyone should ever use now. It just works. Watch a video about it. Can opener, pretty straightforward. And kitchen scissors, which I mostly use to snip herbs off of bunches of themselves onto the food. If I had some, I'd demonstrate. I could talk for many more minutes about all the things that you don't need to have in your kitchen, but I'm just gonna hate on one specifically. Garlic presses. Why? They're so finicky and they're impossible to clean, and you could only use them for garlic. Why? Below, I'm going to link a few important things. Website where you can keep in touch about upcoming cooking classes that happen online. They're tons of fun. I want to know what you want to learn. Leave a comment below and I'll be very happy to throw together another video on a how-to or did you know or throw that thing in the garbage.